Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from WebTech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to download Family Island on your PC. Unfortunately, there is no specific application for Family Island for your PC or Windows, so you will need to use an Android emulator like BlueStacks or Nox Player. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it using the BlueStacks Android emulator. First of all, open your BlueStacks Android emulator on your device, or if you don't have it yet installed, you can open a web browser and go visit bluestacks.com inside the URL box. Once you end up in the official site for BlueStacks, select one of the download links available for your device and click on the download button for your preferred BlueStack version. Follow through the instructions, and once you are done downloading the BlueStacks Android emulator, make sure to launch it open on your PC. Remember that in order to launch open and download the game using your BlueStacks Android emulator, you must have a Google account as well. Log into your Google account from your application, and then after you are logged in using your Google account, go to the search box at the top and type in Family Island and search. Now, from the search results, click on the Family Island simulation game, which looks like this, and then tap on the install button once you come across this application's info. Wait for the game to download, and once it is installed, you can launch the game from the emulator's home screen and play it on your PC anytime you want. So that is how you can easily download Family Island on your PC. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.